How I got solar panels is kind of interesting. I am a drone pilot, so I got booked on a solar install, and it happened to be the owner's home that we were shooting. I'm like, I have to ask them. So I said, cut all the BS stuff. Tell me the truth. What is this stuff about? He did, and he just was trustworthy and just sounded legit. One thing led to another. We sat down and they pulled up this cool app that they were working on and laid out the house and threw numbers at me, and it was like all said and done before, I even knew it. But, an hour passed, and I think we had everything laid out, how much it was going to cost me, how much coverage I was going to get for my home, and I progressed from there. I just kind of stayed in contact with them, and we scheduled an on-site survey, and they measured the roof, and they did everything, and what the app said was exactly what we were able to do. And today's the day.